Alright, so here is the best way on how you can upload music on Spotify. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the two ways on how you can upload your music to Spotify. So the first method is for those who wants to upload their music, like they're an artist and they want to upload their music on Spotify. So the first method is for them. What you need to do is just simply head over to Chrome, and right over here inside Chrome, what you have to do is just simply go to support.spotify.com, and you have to go to this artist section right over here. And inside artist, you can see that if you are a artist who makes music, you can just go right over here and press on get access, and you can just read all this stuff. And once you read it, you can just, go to see our preferred and recommend for distributors. And right over here, you have to read and everything to confirm, and then after that you can upload your music as an artist. And yeah, that's pretty much all about the artist, or you when you want to upload some music in it. And that's the trick. So the second method is that you want to literally upload your own music on Spotify, that you want to listen to, and that's not available on Spotify, but you want to upload it. So it's pretty simple and easy. What you need to do, you need to be on Spotify right over here, and inside Spotify you have to press on your profile right over here. Once you press on it, you'll see a few options right over here, but you need to press on settings. Once you press on settings, you'll see these options, but you just gotta scroll down a bit until you see the option of let's say the library. And right over here inside the library option, you'll see use compact library layout, and then the other option called show local files. So right over here you have to press on show local files, and it will turn on this option. Now right over here you have to make sure that these both are turned on as well, and you'll get the option of local files right over here. So here, as you can see, you already have the option of local files. So if you press on add a source right over here, you can just find the source or the music that you want to upload. So on my PC, I don't have any music currently, but you'll see the option or anywhere the music files that you have on in your PC over here, and you can just find it and you can just upload it. Once you upload it in, it will be on local files right over here. And here, as you can see, right over here, I do have my audios, but it's just a different kind of audios that I made previously, but it's very different from what I've recorded. So yeah, this is how you can exactly upload them. But if you want them to be on your liked songs, you just need to press on this add, and right over here it will be on your like songs as well. So yeah, this is it. I hope this video actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.